ito medyo I know medyo bihira itong mga sakit na inyo na minention dito sa question number 2, no? ALS, no? Can EP or Elixir placenta help in cases with amyotrophic lateral sclerosis? Ang tanong niya is, will it, in what way? In what way will it help, no? Uh, ALS. Ano ba ang ALS, no? Ang ALS is mentioned earlier is amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, no? Ito po ay naging very popular sa Amerika kasi there was a great athlete, no? Baseball player si Lou Gehrig who developed this problem, no? ALS, which is very rare. Sabi ko nga, it is since it is rare, hindi masyado napapag-aralan, wala pa masyadong research at that time, and therefore hindi nila alam paano i-tackle, i-treat itong problema. A very rare neurologic disease that affects the motor. Dalawa naman yan, no? Motor at saka sensory nerves natin. Ang motor is, of course, related to the mga voluntary movements natin. Motor, eh. At saka the other side is sensory, yung pakiramdam natin, no? Itong particular problem, ALS, affects the motor and voluntary. Okay? It is a rare disease, and the nerve cells in the brain and the spinal cord that controls voluntary muscle movement is the one that's affected, no? So again, the how would I say, the secret, hindi naman secret, but the best way to control this is early diagnosis, no? Agad natin malaman na this is ALS is, of course, patingnan natin sa ating mga specialist, and usually mga specialists nito are mga neurologists, no? Ang ALS kasi, the main treatment involves management of the symptoms, yung simptoma. Wala ho itong treatment. Sad to say, ang ALS does not have a treatment as of now. Wala siyang masasabing management na makaka-reverse or gagaling siya sa ALS. Once it is diagnosed na ALS siya or amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, abay 2 to 5 years ang average ng pasyente, no? The usual management a goal or objective would be delaying it. Sana lumampas doon sa average life or survival ng world statistics natin, ano ha? And all of them are meant to be supportive. Sinusuportahan niya yung mga problema na lumalabas doon sa pasyente. If these are kasi spastic ito. Kung sinabing spastic, nag-i-spasm, naninigas ang braso, naninigas ang muscle niya, muscle groups, no? Ang end point niya is when it accelerates, it is because mahina ang immune system ng pasyente, mas mapapabilis po siya. Okay? Again, ang management niya includes physical management, occupational, speech, kasi naaapektuhan ang speech nila ng pasyente, and nutritional therapist. Again, dito pumapasok ang Elixir placenta. Okay? And the nutritional aspect, no? And yung dead end niya is pag naapektuhan na ang respiratory muscles. Kasi nga muscle ang naapektuhan niyan, ano? So, pag naapektuhan ang kaniyang respiratory muscles, which are the muscles for respiration or breathing, that is the end point. Ibig sabihin, magkakaroon na siya ng paralysis of those muscles, spasm, maninigas, at mahihirapan na po siya huminga, and others would try to assist, no, assisted ventilation, assisted respiration, assisted na paghinga until such a time na hindi na siya makakayanan and they pass away. So ganun ho ang ALS. Medyo hindi siya maganda ang kaniyang out prognosis, ang tawag namin sa amin ng mga doktor. Prognosis means the outlook, kung gaano katagal magtatagal ang pasyente with all the treatments that are available, no. So it is yung iba nga na ang available lang na management would be to relax the muscles. So a lot of them are just giving mga muscle relaxants, no. Others would give yung diazepam, no. Marami. All of these are supportive again to delay the progression of the muscle spasm of the patient, no. The third question is again related to ALS. How long can I see the effects of elixir placenta in this kind of case? Again, we have to realize that elixir placenta is a new supplement that we have, no. So there are yet no studies to show itong question about how long can you see the effects, no, gaano katagal ang effects na elixir doon sa ALS. Wala pa tayong ganon, no. We don't have so many studies yet, no, regarding this particular disease, no.